Don Jingkyrmen banwara Jop Bun Tylli kisit hapo kajalla nakaliang ka party United Democratic Party nakabenta ka election MDC but MP hakisnem kiban sawan ong uba Kyrmen Shylla ubade UMLA jong ka Cleariat constituency. Kumba ki pajba kila penjob ya kaseng hakisnem ki baladap ka jingshania jong ki pajba kadang yaine tat hado menta mene. Henry walada ka party kampat syam lapan bena ya ki kertong ki ban yakun ha ka MDC but MP election Henry kadan ka Jingkyrmen baki pajba ki dan ka jingsangwi ya ka party UDP.
For us, we have seen, and I would like to thank the people of Meghalaya, especially for giving us this number. We are now 12 numbers of representative in Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. So I believe that with the same love and care, with the same trust, that our people will not deprive us, even in MDC or MP. So for this, though we have not declared the candidate yet, but I believe that our friends who have always been with us, and they will always have the trust and faith on us, and then give us the opportunity to serve the people of Meghalaya, even in Parliament, so at the same time.
So when will the state election committee of the party will sit?
Exactly, we have not decided the date yet. So this will be announced by our president. So for this.
How do you see the claim of the VPP that it will sweep in the MDC elections? Do you
claim? All the parties should claim. If nobody is claiming themselves, that means they accept defeat. So of course we also will claim. While contesting, of course everyone will claim. Even the individual candidate, he will claim himself. But in the end, public's voice, that is very important. And if the public is in favor of any party, of course they will sweep. But I believe that for us also, we have our public who love us, and at the same time we are here to serve for them. So our people will not deprive us. Everyone will claim their own, they'll have their own strategy, and they'll claim what they feel needs to claim. But I have a faith in the people of Meghalaya, and I believe that they will not deprive us, and they'll give us a chance to serve.